Hi, YVP Nation and vSmart community. Thanks for tuning into my vSmart channel. I have a tip for you. So you already have your free vSmart and you've already taken the URL that you love. It might be jane.yourvirtualportal.net. And now you had your free vSmart, but you've decided to upgrade and get those ads off of there so that you can use a full-fledged vSmart to communicate your message. But you want to keep using Jane, for example, .yourvirtualportal.net. You want to keep that URL. Well, here's the neat trick. You can go ahead after you've paid on the .com site, yourvirtualportal.com, go ahead and pay for your customer package or distributor package and email support@yourvirtualportal.com and let them know that you want to keep that URL and that you would like to have them take the ads off. They will do it for you just like that. We've got a great little button behind the scenes. Please do so and enjoy your vSmart, enjoy your vSmart channel, and continue to communicate better what you're already communicating and do what you're already doing better with vSmart. Thanks for hearing me.